Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Valtherix AI token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, Valtherix VLTX is a quantitative trading infrastructure deployed on the base network. The platform processes real-time market microstructure data, order book activity, and alternative data sources through machine learning model, including transformer architectures and state space models to generate trading signals. Valtrex includes a backtesting sandbox that simulates strategies against historical order book data with modeled slippage, fees, and latency prior to live development. The platform also supports the creation of non-custodial autonomous trading agents that executes strategies within user-defined risk parameters. The VLTX token is used access AI interference model and data feeds. Valtherix AI project institutional rating is 3.6. Valtherix AI token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is also 1 billion. VLTX token is listed on Uniswap V3 and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 60% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.